Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be revealing my makeup haul for the month of April. So this would be the first half of the haul because I have many more makeup coming in. So I decided to pick up some old favorites because I didn't have some of these, and some of these are repurchases, and some of these are just brand new. So let's start off with a dose of colors for Mickey. So this is a blush or highlight. It's a highlight. So let's see what the colors look like here. Okay, not bad. Not silky. Not bad. Swatch this one up here. Gold is my favorite color. Pink is, but gold is number 4. So one of. It's from Graydon. Let's dose of color Mickey Mouse. From Too Faced, I picked up some of these I got on Sephora and from the website itself. So I picked up the Too Faced Then and Now. So this one is completely different from the first one that came out. The covering is. These are all the colors. Let's watch this green. This green is calling my name. Saying Tasha, watch me. And bam. Isn't that so pretty? Look like a teal. Let's watch the pink. My favorite color. Number 1 in the spot. Look at that. Bam. Isn't it just gorgeous? Now, what I'm looking forward to trying to use is the Ooh La La and the O and Ah. I guess you mix those two colors together. I guess. So, I also picked up the pretty Too Faced Rich. How do I get into this bad boy? And the floor is starting to look like a garbage can. So let's open this. Let's try the pink in this formula. See if it's any different. Pink against pink. Look at that. Bam! That glitter is bamming. Let's try this blue one. It's dual chrome. It changed. Look at the shift on it. Look at that. Liking that. I picked up the melted latex. That's what that looks like. And I was given this one for free. Chihuahua, I think it's called. Well, I don't want to swatch it. I know it's not my color. Let me make sure. Oh, it's lip gloss. Yeah, I can rock that. You know what I'm thinking? I'm not that dark. So on eBay, I picked up the Pro Concealer from LA Girl. Picked up like 40s for Couture. So different ranges of colors. I had to make sure I got at least one that was in my color, my collection. I was trying. Call myself trying to cover my bases. And then I bought the LA Girl Pro BB Cream. This sucker's oozing out. That's gonna be used for contouring. That is just too light for me. That's why I covered my bases on most of this stuff, getting different colors. So I also picked up I almost forgot my little darling. Picked up the mermaid tears. Let's try this. I've been looking at this for years. I'm so glad they had the sale. By them putting it on sale, I was able to get it. Now here it's supposed to shift colors. Let's see. Yeah, it does change color. It's greenish here. And right here is a totally different color. I like it. I like it. Natasha likes it. So glad I bought it. So while I was on eBay, I decided to pick up some more items, and I picked up the Juicy Couture. Don't know the name of it. I think it's Just Juicy or Just Me is the name of it. But I got it for $23 for 3.4 ounces. That's a good bargain. So I went ahead and picked this one up as well. And this one is Hollywood Royal. And I got this for $19. And this is a 2.5 ounce. So great deals on both of them. And I've tested this one, it smells good. I've tested this one, it smells good. So I've already tested them out, because if they didn't smell good, I wouldn't be showing them today at all. Like, I won't show things that I don't think is good at all or have the potential of being great. I just won't show them at all. So I do try at least to test out the perfumes and some of the makeup before I show it. Well, I bought this on Ulta. They was having a sale on it, and I didn't have this palette, so I decided to pick it up. I know it's an old one, but it's new to me. And look at the colors. It's a great payoff. Look at that. Let's try the purple. Look at those colors. So rich in pigment. It's just, oh my goodness, so worth the money. So worth the money. So I went back and I bought one of these Jeffree Star Beauty Killer because I gave mine away. So I needed a new one. And we all know how Jeffree Star looks by now because this palette has been around for a few years now. But I'll show it for those who haven't seen it. And that's the color. Now I had to rebuy it because I liked the pink in it. That's what I was like, I have to have this palette again. I love the pink. I love the pink. So while on eBay, I picked up some tweezers for doing my eyebrows. Picked up 2 different styles. Because the tweezers I have, I didn't think was achieving what I wanted to. Because I still can't get my lashes as close as I want them to be. So they look perfect. And I also purchased these. These are the hard candy split personalities. I picked up 5 of these for $3.99. Now these are oldies but goodies. Like, you cannot find them in the stores anymore. As far as I've seen it, I haven't been able to find them in the stores anymore. Let me swatch one in. If I can get it open. There we go. So that's what it looks like on that end. No, that ain't. Now these are very good swatches or makeup, should I say, for the cost of what they cost in their drugstore makeup. So for it to give off that kind of payment like that, just in a swatch, that's really good. So also on eBay, I picked up Miss Rose glitter glue. I hear it's supposed to be really great, so I want to give it a try to see before I start buying the name brand ones. So I'm just gonna give it a try, and I'll let you guys know how it works out for me. So while on Sephora, I also picked up the Kat Von D palette Fetish, which is not doing so good according to rumors. But I wanted it. I had to have it. I like the stitching on it. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see if I can get her open. And these are the colors. So let's swatch the gold here. Let's try that one more time. One more time. It's good, but it's low key. It's not like the Too Faced one. It's low key, but it's good. It's good. Let's go with let's try the pink here. Compare it next to the Too Faced. Oh my goodness. You see that? I wish the gold had jumped out like that. What's the name of this pink one? Dominic Trick? Okay, let's try bondage. I'm into that. Let's do that. Let's get it done. Oh my goodness, you see that? That is a hell of a good. That is very good. Well, this has been my April makeup haul and perfume haul. So I'd like to thank you for watching. And it depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good evening, or good night, and God bless.